Yo! Good morning, family. Welcome from Hawaii. Obviously, we missed yesterday's stream, but look, 24 hours of flight time will take you down, I tell you. So, we're up, we're here, we're doing it. Welcome in, Kings. Work, good morning, baby. Welcome in. First and foremost, from Hawaii, how we feeling? I also don't have my normal setup. I feel very out of it a little bit, but we're here, we're gonna crush. W day, in fact. Let's go. Hope you're doing well, King. We're gonna pass these accounts today. Technically, we can't pass today, but we can get close. Technically, we can get close. We can't pass today, but we can get close. I'm gonna try to be a little bit quiet because everyone's still sleeping. Let's have a great day, brother, and let these opportunities be blessed. I love it, King. Let's make it crush. Alright, baby, we're in here. Let's trade well. Let's do the thing. I appreciate you deeply, my friend. What's this indicator for? Market data subscription renewed. Alright, well, that's good. Market right now bidding up to the 25,000. I haven't even seen the price action for the last couple of days. Let me take a gander at that. I was truly on vacation mode. Let's go work. Get a man, King. How you trading? Been you taking any trades while I've been gone, or? Mad Max, welcome in, King. Let's go, baby. How you doing? How you feeling? So what did the price action do the last couple of days, huh, boys? Still just in the exact same chop. I love it. In the exact same chop, I love it. So let me know how's the audio. How's the audio, family? Let me know. Music too loud? Am I too quiet? I'm trying to be a little bit quiet. It's 4:30 in the morning here. Everyone's sleeping. Brom, good morning, King. How's Hawaii treating you? It's insane. Bella, haven't seen you in a while. Good morning, Queen. I missed 2 days because I'm just traveling to Hawaii. First day we were on the plane for a long time, and then yesterday we were all kind of jet lagged together, so I just took the day off. It's also 4:30 in the morning, so I'm trying to be quiet, not wake everybody up, but welcome in, Queen. Whoa, 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 Saucidelic. No trades, brother, when waiting for confirmation of the war. That's very valuable. Very ideal work. It's tragic that we're hearing that going on. How are you feeling? Okay? Oh, I'm feeling great, Queen. Like I said, I missed Monday's stream because we were traveling. We were on a 24 hours of travel time, which was just I couldn't stream. And then yesterday, we obviously had we were a little bit recovered from jet lag and just recovery, and I don't want to wake everybody up. But today's different. You can put it a little down with. Will be great if you can. You can put it down. The music. Let's do it. How's that work? Is that better? Let me know how that is, King. Yo, we're in Hawaii though, family. Drop a like. Let's get to our 30 like stream goal. I know I missed 2 days in a row. I apologize, family. Now we hear you, perfecto. Let's go work. Alright, so yeah, so Bella, what I was saying, Queen, is we missed Monday stream because we were traveling from Maine to Hawaii. It was about 24 hours of travel time, all in all, if you count the driving to the airport, plus the waiting, plus the flights. Literally like 24 hours of travel before we actually got to the Airbnb. And then yeah, Tuesday we were just kind of in recovery mode. So I missed Tuesday, but feeling amazing. It's 4:30 in the morning here. I'm trying to be kind of quiet, not waking everybody up. The market, I expected to be a little bit more aggressive from the war, but it looks like we haven't confirmed it, so I understand why you haven't taken any trades work. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet, family, but check this stuff out. We found some coral and shit. Y'all see this? Super cool stuff that we've been finding. The beaches here, the vibes here, just everything is immaculate. So yeah, yesterday we had a weird day. Monday we went from the 478s to the 104. It was a good day. Wow. Volatility is heck. And then yesterday went right back down. And today we're right back at it. So I would say overall we're kind of bullish on the daily chart, but not really. Hourly chart feels like we could be hunting towards these highs above. These equal highs around these 25,000s. Feels possible, like that could be what we're kind of looking at as a market here. Overnight prices kind of maintain. We'll see what happens, family. I hated having to miss stream though. I'll let you guys know that right now. It's 4:30 in the morning. I feel all out of it, but let's see if we can get this to deliver for us. We only need 185 to pass these accounts, and really we don't even need that much because we just need what 3 more trading days out of these. So let's get some hype in here, chat. It's 4:30 in the morning. I need some love from y'all to keep me pumped up. You know what I'm saying? It's quiet over there. What's going on in the U.S.? It's Wednesday. Y'all are sleeping on me too. Oh. How we feeling? How we doing, chat? Let's go, family. Opening print price, we bought from the 844s to the 957s. Jesus, the volatility is insane. You don't even have to touch this thing at all. Absolutely insane volatility. Come on, family, where y'all at? What's going on? Talk to me. Give me some vibes. It's early in the morning here, you know what I'm saying? I missed y'all. Think about trying to short up here. Turn my trade mode on. I don't need a lot of money, but I kind of want to grab one. I need very little. I need like 10 points. So I might as well not even be trading in mini. Really should just be trading in micro. I'm gonna try to sell a micro up here. Try to sell a micro up here. I'm gonna turn this trade mode off just so I don't make any mistakes. And we got filled into it. Really wanted to see if I could get in at this high, but I don't want to possibly get rejected the EMA, so. Pat Will, let's go. Happy birthday, King. I know I missed it yesterday, but W's. Happy birthday to the Pat, man. Family, let's get to 30 likes by the end of the stream. We can do it. We can definitely do it. Most of our family's not even in here right now. There's only 9 of us. If y'all show some love, Hawaii stream, little mobile stream in a whole new state, never before. We only need $150 to pass these accounts. If we can start getting this to print towards VWAP, that'll be ideal here. If we can break through these no opening print lows. Good morning, Pat. Like I said, happy birthday, King. Sorry I missed it yesterday. Let's go. 3:30 a.m. there. It's actually 4:30. It's 5 hours behind, but with daylight savings at 6. Let's go, work. Way to show love. Happy birthday to the man, the myth, the dude. One of our original OG moderators. Yo, bro, looking good. The holiday must be great. It's amazing, Spitz. It truly is, King. I appreciate it. I think I might grab another contract up here, family. Might sell a second contract up here. I like the way that we're auctioning. Oh, well, I hesitated. It's doing great, Spitz. I hope you're doing amazing too. I literally cannot describe, guys. If you bring a Mainer, someone from Maine that's been in Maine their whole life, to Hawaii, wow. Just wow. Fortnite, Goyer. What up, King? Good morning. Alright, good morning, I say. For me, it's 4:30 in the morning, so I hope it's bright and early for y'all as well. Hope everybody's feeling amazing, doing amazing. I hope everybody's feeling amazing, doing amazing. Vibes are high. Obviously, we have the war implications going on, but we'll see what goes on. I hope everybody stays safe. Look who it is, the Hawaii trader. Good morning, Queen. Let's go, newbie. Appreciate you for being here, showing love as always. Such a queen. See if we can get the market to break below this opening print price. Start punching towards this VWAP. From there, we can probably try to get out of this trade and be good. Smash that like button. Glad to hear you drinking some of the sun out there. Let's go, Corey. W's king. Family, I love it. I'm telling you right now. The sun. Can you guys see it on my face? Do I look a little burned? Do I look a little red? It feels amazing. The sun has been an absolute blessing. I miss it. I'm gonna try to get out of this trade at VWAP. Oh, VWAP's way down below, I guess. So yeah, that's exactly where I want to be for an opportunity. See if we can get to break through this opening print price at the 839s. From there, we should be safe. You look great, man. You needed this. I really did, Pat. I did need it. It feels so nice to be on vacation with my entire family. We all are having just an extraordinary time. I'm heavily contemplating on making this a permanent thing for me, at least coming out here often or even moving out here, because it feels way, way good. But we'll see what happens. We need another $90 in this NASDAQ. Can we get this thing to break through this opening print price? If we start getting through here, I imagine we get pretty heavy. Obviously, at the VWAP would be the easiest exit. I'll put my order down here, buy 5 limit. No, yes, buy 5 because I'm selling. I'll put my break evens on once we break through opening print price. I'm already up almost 100 points. Oh no, I'm up 50 points, so pretty sexy. But I am short bias. Trade looks good. I'm short bias too right now, King. Moving there, Pat. I tell you something. The biggest thing, the only thing that's really stopping me, the weather, exceptional, like perfect, doesn't change every day. Obviously, there's gonna be different seasons. Bugs, no bugs. I'm used to Maine, very little bugs. I'm sure there's gonna be buggier seasons, but just beautiful. The people, so kind, so nice, so spirited, like high spirited. The scenery, just immaculate. You look to your right, you have these insanely textured, beautiful mountains. You look to your left, you have this beautifully crystal blue coastal waters, just with crashing waves. And again, the people, the food is so, it's my alley. Savory, just very good stuff. And then obviously the traffic's a little bit congested. There's a lot of people here, but I say the only thing I don't like about it, if I did want to move here, is just that my family won't be there. I've been around my family my whole life, so but we'll see. I haven't decided anything, but man, it'd be great to be out here for sure. Family, there's already 18 people watching. Can we drop a love to the like button for today's stream? First stream ever, stream 222 in a whole new state in Hawaii. I know I was supposed to be here yesterday. I missed it just because, like I said, we were recovering from a 24-hour travel day and I didn't want to wake everybody up. But now it's just my grandmother out there that she can hear me and she's already awake. So the only one I'm really affecting is Taylor right now, but it's going to be okay. We're going on a hike here in like 2 hours as well. So, okay, I'm sold. Move there, LOL. I'll get a little vacay house. I'll get a little vacay house and you can come visit whenever you want, okay? 100%. It is indescribably beautiful out here. Like, truly, I can't even describe it. Absolutely, Pat. You'll have a room open for you, King. Absolutely, my friend. We're auctioning sideways at the bottom of this opening print price. We exploded off the 838s. I kind of want to see us break through that. Auction lower. If we keep holding it, we could push, but I like where VWAP is. I think we have a safe exit. Just want to see some weight now in the NASDAQ. Decent volatility. I mean, we're already up, 50 points on this trade. It'd be a beautiful trade if it was a mini. Oh, there's the volatility spike into the 815s. Assuming that's going to follow through. Let's watch this candle closure. See if we get some weight. We only need $50 more. Oh, we keep getting this to bounce. Trying to hold that opening print price. I imagine we get heavy here, but who knows? We're auctioning really interesting. I want to see this candle closure for more confirmation. We have news at 10. Is that why we're going sideways? I appreciate it, Pat. 15 minutes, we're going to get some news drop. Come on, NASDAQ. Break through there. Almost flashed at a 100-point trade. What did I need? I don't even remember now. I want to see this close below that opening print. Start eating this wick down. I don't want to see a big wick. I do not want to see us a big wick and hold that range. We just got, that was our first 15-minute range. Let's get our box drawn up, stay aligned here. That is kind of a reversal signal in my setups. We could reverse here. We had a giant wick on the 50-minute to break through the 15 and more volume. Not the most volume, so I guess we could be patient here. Got news dropping as well. I don't even have break-evens on this trade yet. I'm just trying to get this thing to ride. There's 17 people watching, family. Let's go ahead and just show some love. Smash the button. I know I missed stream for a couple days. We're feeling it. Feeling the effects. Some of our family members aren't even in here yet, so YouTube is like, hey, where you been at? Your family needed you. Matthew, good morning, King. Let's go, baby. Hope you're doing amazing. Hope everybody's trading well in this volatility. Obviously, with the war conditions going on, there's a lot going on, but we'll see if we can do. Pulling up into the 50% of the range, coming up into our price after that sweep through the 800s there. I think I could add a second contract for shorts right now. I'm not going to, but I think I could. I watched TBM stream yesterday. I love watching Matt, but just wasn't the same without you, bro. LOL. Let's go, Pat. I felt so bad being without you guys. I woke up and I felt like shit not streaming. Like I said, we needed to sleep, so it's all good. And now I'm back. I'm feeling amazing. Hopefully we can get these accounts passed. Incredible volatility right now, pulling back up through that price, trying to see if we can get the sellers to maintain the 50%. Like I said, I thought I could add another contract up there, appearing right now that I could have. We'll see if we can get them to cut through the CMA. We don't want to give the CMA back up. We want to start heading back towards the bottom of that 50-minute range, start auctioning down there. From there, I imagine we go eat that wick, but it was a lot of volume. A lot more volume, actually, on that sell contract, on that doji wick, so. There's a lot of volume on this pump, but even more on this selling. Gives me confirmation I could add a second contract. I'm not going to, because I don't need to. But if we start cutting through this EMA, I think we get pretty heavy here. Market felt lonely, LOL. I missed y'all. That's why I'm glad to be back, family. Let's go. 14 people watching. Usually we got, like, but at this point, 30, 35. So YouTube is definitely punishing us, family. We don't have our friends in here. Like, where's Danny at? Where's all of our peoples? Oh, my back. I have a little bit of sunburn. Just a little bit. Just a little tiny bit. A little touch of the sun on me. There's some volume coming back. Let's see if we can hold through here now. It's been the last spot I expect. I will have my stops at the highs. I fuck with a new outfit, Ty. I appreciate it. I didn't bring my streaming sweatshirt. let's go, Keith. I appreciate that, King. Yeah, I didn't bring my streaming sweatshirt since I'm not needing a sweatshirt in Hawaii, but then I realized, I was like, damn it, I didn't bring my streaming. But it's all good. Little Hawaii stream deserves a little Hawaii fit, you know. Do a beach out workout for me. I already have, King, but I'll do another. Man, the beach is just dreamlike. Dreamlike beaches. Trying to get this to sell through this 15% of the 50% of the range. Could add another contract up here, I think. I don't need the extra liquidity, but I think I could do it. Kind of tempted, but I think if we start getting through this EMA, we're gonna get pretty heavy, possibly. If we start breaking back towards this daily opening print price, try to go get that wick back. We'll see what happens. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go, Vines. Good morning, King. Missed you, brother. Hope you're feeling amazing. Let's go, King. A little Wednesday, a little Wednesday vibes. War volatility is bringing insane price action to the markets. Hope everybody's trading safe, being safe, doing safe. Remember, there are probably bigger problems out there, no matter what you're going through. So try to keep an open mind, positive perspective, and drop a love. So let's show some love to the like button, family. I know we're a little behind. YouTube's a little confused as well, but hey, we're doing the thing. Trying to get this market to sell off through this 900s. A little bit of resistance. A little bit more resistance at these 9s than I expected. Let's get it, let's get it, let's go. That is what I always say. Let's go, Vines. The king himself. Let's get it, let's get it, let's go. It's the day to do it. No day like today. Love the energy, family. I still think I could find another sell contract around these 900s right now. We're auctioning sideways. I still think we're going to push through the bottom of the 50-minute range. I want to see the way that we auction at that. Last time we spiked through it, we immediately had the volume to push back up, but we actually had more volume to reject. So we'll see what happens. All we know is we got to be patient. Wait for our setup, wait for our opportunity. If we can't get these passed, I mean, again, we don't need to hit that. We don't need to have that big trade. We could have sold down there and just got out, but we need 3 more trading days of these TPT accounts. Well, they look like they're trying to hold the 9s. Can we get through there? We're going to get another wick rejection at this previous swing high. We have news dropping in 8 minutes. Markets being pretty choppy, honestly. Very back and forth. We have an order at the 900s. I wanted to see the NASDAQ maintain below that. I still think we can. Kind of tempted to grab a second sell contract up here, honestly. We were up almost 100 points in that trade. Now they're above the 50% though. We swept through the bottom with decent volume. Decent volume, and we couldn't push lower. It makes me think that, like I said, that was a possible reversal signal. So if we start pushing towards a high, this 15-minute range, I'm going to get out of this contract. Excuse me. Still got a busy day, family. We have a hike planned in like 2 hours. Shoot for the sunrise. It's going to be exceptional. Just wanted to come on here, see if we can get some monies. See if we can pass these accounts as a family. Only way to do it is go through it, so I had to see what it's like. Still some resistance at these 30s, but right now the NASDAQ is pushing above 50% of the range. Wanted to see us rejecting at this EMA, but instead we did push through this swing high, so gotta be patient. Could be on the wrong side of it, but gotta just be patient here. We have news dropping in 6 minutes. If you haven't taken any trades yet, be careful. Might as well be on the sides. I'm looking to see the sellers find some acceptance. It's been a very choppy last couple days from what I could see. 140 points, or like 400 points up and down. There's 21 people watching, family. If y'all have not yet, let's show some love to the like button. Smash that thing. First stream ever in Hawaii. First stream ever off my normal setup. I know it's a little bit different. Vibes are a little changed. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because it's 4:30 in the morning here and my family's sleeping, but the energy is still on 12. We're still on absolute execution mode, having a great time, trying to make some money in the NASDAQ. Look, it's early, but I could get used to this. I could get used to this. If I had my setup here, tell you what. So we're starting to reject these 30s. Can we get back towards this 50% of the range? That's where our order is. I want to see some sellers cut through this EMA. If we have a wick at the EMA, we're probably going to auction towards the top of the 15. If we have a nice wick right here, an absorption. Don't want to see any absorption. I want to see some weight in the NASDAQ here. We have news dropping in 4.5 minutes. Like I said, if you guys haven't taken any trades, you might as well be on the sidelines. The way that we're selling into this 50% and this EMA makes me think we could bounce. We have to get some real nasty sell volume to cut through here. I'm still short bias. That's a decent close, but we could easily bounce right back to the highs off that. It's not really the candle closure I wanted to see. Yeah, like I'm saying. 4:50 in the morning and we're hanging out with the family. Still tempted to take another sell contract here. Again, I don't need it. I only need lower liquidity today, so I'm hesitating on adding in these positions, but this is where I'd be trying to average in. Hope everybody's feeling amazing, doing amazing, trading well. Obviously, like I said, with the war shenanigans going on right now, keep your perspective positive. There's a lot more things that could be going on. I'm sure things could be a lot worse for you as a person, so think about others. Think about the things going on. Pray for peace. We're doing amazing. I'll see the NASDAQ sell through these 900s would be ideal. I like the selling pressure that we're seeing. I don't like the decompressed volume, though. Makes me think that if we do bounce, we're going to bounce pretty aggressively. If we do bounce through this, we're going to bounce pretty aggressively. Come on, NASDAQ. I want to see some weight through this EMA now. We have to. Otherwise, if we keep holding this for that 10 a.m. news, it's going to be pretty violent to the upside, I think, possibly. This EMA could give us a little explosion. I like that we're below the swing high again. Like I said, I still think I could add another contract here, but right now we're at our price. We're at a battle spot. Auctioning above it isn't ideal. I don't like the decompressed volume above the EMA as well. We have to get some weight. We have to get back through that EMA if we want to really be on the right side of this trade right now. We saw the reversal signal at the bottom of the 15 once we swept through it and was wicked back into the opening print price. That was our reversal signal, possibly. News dropping here in a minute and a half. What are we going to see? It's getting volatile. Come on, sellers, earn this price. Oh, we got news dropping in a minute, family. Like I said, if y'all haven't taken any trades, might as well be on the sidelines. You don't need to expose yourself to this volatility. Trying to get the NASDAQ to break through this EMA. We're obviously at a very big battle price. We've been in this trade since early now. Another spike to the lows. Man, those are frustrating me. What are those? Just random giant manipulated dumps. That was a 20-point wick and then immediately ate all that back up. Did the same thing down here with a giant 20-point wick and then just ate it back up. It's very weird. I want to see us start earning towards that actual liquidity down there. actually start auctioning and keeping it. No wicks this time. Give me a big black, no wick. Not those weird 20-point instant wicks. Very manipulative. Strong wick from the buyers. If they get back above the EMA, we're not going to be in a good position here. We want to see us at least earn the EMA down. No, you're going to get a 20-point nasty wick and then eat it right back up. Wow. Top of the 15-minute range. Here it comes. Here comes the 10 o'clock news. My stops are going to be above the top of the 15. Above this new swing high.
Stop filled.
Well, we were wrong, family. Just insanely gross price action, to be completely honest with you. Is this what it's been like the last couple days? Is this what it's been like the last couple days, or just ew? These manipulative wicks that are just earned back immediately. A lot of volume to sweep through the top of the 15. Makes me think I could try another sell contract up here if we didn't continue higher. If we don't keep pushing, I'm going to try another sell. They're trying. It has been difficult to trade so far this week, in my opinion. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, Matthew. This does not feel ideal. Pushing back into the bottom of the 15 or in the top of the 15. I'm tempted to try a sell up here. A lot of volume. If price can't continue higher, then that's our sell signal. It's worth it. I'm trying it. It's worth it with the stops above the 25,000s. I think we're going to go see the 25,000s here. That felt like the liquidity above that they probably are hunting towards. A little double wick at the 25s. But with that much volume, we can't continue higher. That's also a reversal signal. So got to trade our system for a break and reclaim the 15. Yeah, it's been hard to trade lately. I agree. O-Town, Brendan, we fight the trend. Currently a little bit. Just gonna see what we can do here. We can't continue through that with that much volume. If you can't continue higher, it, to me, is telling us choppy conditions. But I am fighting the trend, so not recommended. Don't follow this short. Also, like I said, I think we could go sweep towards those 25,000s or the 25,100s above. But with that much buying pressure, if price can't continue any higher, then that to me is a big reversal signal. Same as that we saw down here. And this one actually has more volume. So I'm trading for a break and a reclaim at the top of the 15, but we'll see what happens. Part of my system, got to take the trade. It's pretty funny that we actually got a second contract where our other one got stopped out. But again, I have to respect the strategy, because we could have just kept exploding through it. But once I saw the rejection is when I could confirm my second entry. Welcome in, O-Town, Brandon. Welcome in, King. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're feeling amazing. I want to see us break through the EMA now. I want to see the weight of the sellers bring us through this bottom of this EMA. I am noticing a little trend here. Let's see if we can get it recognized. Through that would look interesting. We could easily bounce at it, though. Sellers are starting to step up a little bit here. Decent candle, decent closure. Can we get a closure down here? Now that we're tapping in this trend line, we got to get some weight through it. I want to get some selling pressure through these 900s. Yo, good morning, kings and queens. Subs. Let's go, baby. Welcome in, my king. The man and the dude. Hope you're grabbing some goop this week, brother. Hope you're doing amazing. First stream from Hawaii in the fucking 222. This position is good for your style, though. Yeah, O-Town. This is, like I said, this is one of my classic setups. This is a break and reclaim at the top of the 15-minute range. So we broke through the top of the 15-minute range with a lot of volume. Struggled to push through the next candle, so I took a sell contract. And now we're trying to see us push through the other side of the range. Classic setup for me. I also saw the same, I called the same thing over here with a possible reversal signal once we swept through immediately and reclaimed it. I was hoping against it since I'm in the trade, but I knew it was a possibility. If I wasn't already down on a position, I would take another contract here at this EMA. I like the selling pressure, but we did bounce off that trend line pretty well, so. Yes, sir, we gooped last night past another combine. Got 3 XFAs in rotation now. Just gooping like a gooper does. Let's go, Sobs. Proud of you, King. That's exceptional. Way to do it. Way to be. The man's just gooping like he can't stop gooping. NASDAQ is trying to hold this trend line for a third tap there. We did notice that it was a possibility. Only thing that's going to stop us now is we're back around the top of this 15-minute range where the sellers got aggressive. Like I said, we had a lot of buying volume there and price couldn't continue higher, so I want to see the sellers maintain that direction. There she is. No way. I was wondering where you were, Queen. I was like missing you, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. Hope your trip is going amazing. It is indescribably fucking perfect. It's literally paradise out here. Truly paradise. Like, I'm so tempted to make it a permanent thing just because of how good it truly feels, but gonna let the vibe settle a little bit, make some, not make any impulsive decisions, you know what I mean? But it feels exceptional. Want to see the NASDAQ maintain the sell pressure with a lot of buying volume to push through the top of the 15. Couldn't continue higher, so I took a sell contract. We got to break through this trend line now. We already tapped into it for a third time. I checked to see you live yesterday, but you wasn't there, so I thought you were just inhaling all of Hawaii. I was, Queen. Exactly what we were doing. Like I said, Monday, 24 hours of travel time. Tough. From the minute I left my place to landed in the next Airbnb, it was like 24 hours. So we were very tired, but so that's why I was recovering from Tuesday. And then, yeah, I also didn't want to wake everybody up, you know, because everyone had a long day. I'm being kind of quiet, being kind of loud, talking to myself here. But yeah, now I'm here. We're live. We're doing it, trying to pass these accounts. I missed y'all like crazy. Right now, the NASDAQ's being a little indecisive. Maintaining that trend line push. Might be pushing for the top of the 15-minute range again. That's where our stop loss are going to be if we can push through this range. We did a lot of buy volume there, and price couldn't continue higher. So I still have faith in the sellers right now, but we'll see what it is. Right now it's 5:07 in the morning. It was 4:30 when I started streaming, so it's pretty early. I didn't want to wake everybody up, but we're doing it. There's 25 people watching, family. I know it's a giant ask, but if everybody watching can show some likes to the love button, we can go ahead and get really close to our 30 like stream goal. It would mean a lot for hitting our first goal while we're in Hawaii, first mobile stream in a whole new state, 4:30 in the morning. Give me some motivation for waking up mad early, trying to be quiet, not wake everybody up. Can we get the NASDAQ to respect the top of this 15-minute range? It does feel like we want to auction towards these 25,100s. Ideally what it looks like it wants. Held that trend line very well after the sellers came in there. He's back to the top of the 15. We have confirmation. If we break through our range again, then we're going to be able to look for longs, and then I'm just going to poke a mini on an EMA touch, so we're going to be okay. Again, we don't technically need a lot. We just need 3 more trading days to pass these accounts. So buyers trying to push back through that buy volume candle. Still struggling a little bit. Looks like they're going to need some actual energy to get through there. Bobby, good morning, King. Missed you, brother. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're feeling amazing. Hope school's been going good. Hope you're trading well. Pushing through. Here come the 25,000s, it feels like. My stops are going to be above the 25,000s. Definitely thinks that that's where we're auctioning towards. Strong buy candles right now. This is the reason I'm liking this, because if we do get confirmation on where we're going, then we can just buy a little EMA touch with 1 mini and get the points that we need. We can just get a little EMA touch with the mini if we do need that. kind of confirms for me after that closure that that's where we're going. So for me, I might exit this position. Pretty weird price action lately, though, to be honest. From what I could see yesterday to today. Thank you, bro. I was wondering why you didn't stream yesterday, lol. Yeah, like I said, we were just from us leaving Maine, the spot in Maine. There's the 25,000s. If we have a closure above this new candle swing high, I'm going to close this position. We traveled from Maine to Hawaii. So from leaving my bed to getting to the Airbnb, 24 hours of travel time. We were all kind of feeling it. Tuesday, a little tired. I didn't want to wake everybody up as well and be loud. So I just said, you know what? I'm going to take the day. I regretted it though. I woke up by like 5:30 naturally just from my body clock, and I was regretting it. Missed y'all. Missed not being on stream. Felt bad for missing my duties, but it's all right. We're here. We're doing it. Happy Wednesday. Happy middle of the week. Like I said, I hope everyone's trading well. I know we have the war conditions going on, so I expected some volatility, and we are getting volatility. Nasdaq finding some resistance at the 25,000s. Only reason I haven't closed this trade yet is I want to see what actually happens up here. How you been trading though, Danny? I know you were getting close to doing some stuff. Enjoy it, King. You deserve it. I appreciate that, Pablo. It means the most. So special having your whole family enjoying a paradise with you. We're all experiencing it for the first time together, and it's truly such a special thing. I can't even. It's indescribable how amazing it is and how great it feels. So trying to push back towards our price. It still feels like we're going to push higher, but that was a 25,000 rejection that I wanted to see. Back through our price is decent here. Holding the EMA. I think we could probably switch over to a mini right now, but if we push deeper through this EMA, I'm going to like it for our opportunity. Trying to push to the top of the 15-minute range. I think that's enough for me to get out and try to flip over to my minis. The EMA. Stop's going to be above this new swing high. I don't really like it. I think we got to go push up there, but we'll see what happens. Good morning, Danny. Let's go, Pat. Yo, for all those who missed it, yesterday was Pat's birthday, so drop a happy birthday to that man's. The dude, the man. Very rough. I am very out of sync for some reason. I don't think it's your fault, Quinn. I think the markets are just extra. Like I said, the war conditions right now are making the markets behave interestingly. So offer yourself some grace. I know it does suck feeling out of it. Nasdaq about to tap me out of this well as well, Queen. But now I know how you feel, Queen. Happy birthday, champ. Let's go, Sobs. I'm going to show some love to the Pat. Getting blessed to have another year older. Blessed to have another chance at another year on this planet. But yeah, I expect conditions to be tough, especially with like a lot of volatility, a lot of indecisiveness, indecisions. 34. Blessed to see 34, Pat. Let's go, King. Amazing.
Stop, Phil.
Tagged out of that. We're now down 200 on the day, family. I'm going to turn off the trade mode here. And I'm going to switch over to NQ to find a mini. Oh, it doesn't update my box. Because what I want to do now is buy an EMA touch now that we get confirmation on the direction. Man, we saw the reversal early at the top of the 15 when we swept through there. Or the bottom of it. That was awful. Here come the 25,009s. I don't like the way that we're auctioning up here, but it's happening. No matter what. No matter if I like it or not. Happy birthday, King Pat. Let's go, Danny. Way to show some love. Plus 172 today. Had longs that opened, but my VPN was on and didn't get as much as I wanted. Dave, welcome in, King. We missed you, brother. Appreciate you for showing some love, stopping by. Congratulations on the winning day. Sorry the VPN chopped you there. Yesterday with 2 micros, it was so volatile. It was 600 down in a minute. Yeah, I believe it, Queen. I mean, it's really tough trading conditions on that. Yesterday I didn't get to see it, but today I'm already feeling it. And we were up early there trying to get a break at the 50-minute range. Look at this bullshit. Look at this bullshit. Tagging us out at the top of the 15, or at the top of that range twice. That is ugly. Chopped around and came back with longs there at the end. I'm glad you made your money back, though, Dave. Let's go, King. Way to show some love to Pat, Danny. But yeah, yesterday was tough. Around plus 1,800 on day 3 on my fundeds. Need 2 more days of 150 or more, and I'm taking over a 1K payout. Dave! Taking a fatty payout, King. Hope you're proud of yourself, man. You deserve it. Couple more days at 150. You're going to get over that threshold. Proud of you, man. Yo, there's 26 people watching, family. It's a big ask, I know, but if you were watching, you haven't yet, let's show some likes to the love button. Smash that thing. We're trying to get to our 30 like stream goal. It would mean so much for our first stream in Hawaii to be able to smash that. Episode 222. I know I missed yesterday. I apologize deeply. I miss y'all. I hate having to miss it. Definitely going to be like 1150 or more. Insane, King. Absolutely incredible. NASDAQ just sold into the top of the 50-minute range there again. Now we're below the EMA. I'm kind of thinking we could find a reversal signal up here, but don't want to fight the trend on a mini. Here comes the NASDAQ trying to earn back through that range. 25,000 is such a big number, so I'm trying to be patient and not just jump right in. 15-minute range long. I like it, Pat. We had 2 wicks at that price as well. Only thing that's stopping me is the 25,000 whole number above. That's it. The only thing that's stopping me is that 25,000 whole number above. It's a big level that we could find some aggression at. But we could also find some volume through it, so. If I did take the trade, I'd have to get, again, I'm trying to try a little EMA. Looks bullish. I think they're targeting it. I think they're targeting these 25,100s above. I think it's possible. I definitely think so. Volume through the 25K. You know, I do agree with you. Today's daily range is just insane. From the 499s, now up 500 points. Just a lot of resistance at these 25,000s for me. Let's see a spike through here. Make it clear. There it is. Bro, I can't open the box for these on pouches. The fuck. Open the box. On said no. So sorry, you can't enjoy yourself right now. Just trying to enjoy a little Zimbabwe. A little Cinderella, and you just can't. 5:18 in the morning, family. Spending it with y'all. No. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Gosh. It feels amazing being here with you guys. I missed y'all like crazy yesterday. Monday while I was on the plane, I was missing y'all. We're back. Like we never left. Only way to do it is go through it. NASDAQ just looking incredibly bullish. I guess you could be safe to try an EMA long now, but the 25,000 number above is just scaring me because sellers could come in, like really come in aggressive at any point here. What's the plan for Hawaii today? Hike, ATVs on the beach, whale watching. Actually, you guessed it first, King, hike. So in an hour and 30 minutes, we're leaving here for a hike. We enjoyed like 3 crazy cool beaches yesterday. We're gonna enjoy a hike today at Diamondback, And then we're gonna go snorkeling soon. We do have an ATV tour scheduled, a luau scheduled. Gonna be exceptional. I truly can't describe, guys, how special it is being here with my family. It just means so much. Feels so good. I think MQ is itching and needs the rehab with the way she's auctioning. These candles spastic as heck. I agree with you, newbie. She needs some help. She needs some help, and she's trading very weird, but pushing along. So, how's the food? Savory, very savory, a lot of flavor, delicious. The people are incredibly nice, just so open minded, just so open, happy spirited, and just opening it. They just accept everybody. Um, the weather, obviously, just pristine. You don't get a single lick of anything other than just a little bit of light humidity off the ocean and perfect temperature breeze and the bugs, very little bugs. I expected there to be more. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot in the jungle and everything, and probably there's buggier seasons, but man, all in all, it's just stunning. I literally haven't found anything I don't like. Obviously a little bit of traffic, but you're gonna get that anywhere, especially in paradise, because everyone wants to be here. Only thing that's stopping me from wanting to move out here immediately is just that I don't want to leave my family 6,000 miles away, so we'll see. But man, it's truly indescribably gorgeous. NASDAQ pushing higher into the 25,050s now. Pat, you were absolutely right. Long off the top of the 15-minute range. Found some support, pushing through there with some volume. Auctioning higher. We go. Into the 60s. I do think a first EMA tap I can try along now with a mini contract. Next EMA touch, I'm going to try it. Yo, let's go. He's back. Come on, GPT. Welcome in, King. Missed you, brother. Yes, sir. Like we never left. Back like we never left. Trading this NASDAQ right now. Oh, wait. Y'all can see this. Look at this. 4:30 a.m. I didn't know that. Check that out. 4:30, 4:45, 5, 5:15. Crazy. We're in Hawaii Standard Time, HST. NASDAQ just pushing higher right now. Giving me confirmation on the next EMA tap. As long as we don't get that liquidity at the 25,000s right away. If we leave that behind and get an EMA touch, I'm taking along. Volumes, candles are starting to close very bullish though. Very bullish candle closures. There she is. Let's go, Queen. Was down 600, now down 170. I'll take it. Let's fucking go. The Redemption Queen. I'm glad you kept your head on straight. Proud of you, Danny. Let's get the rest of it back now. First EMA tap, I'm taking along. Right now, we're just holding this direction. I think we want to go with those 5,100s. If we can do it with me, it'd be ideal. Sweating and I'm long from the 885.75. Trading is going to make me develop anxiety trying to hold for my TP. But man, let's go, newbie. She's stressing at 885s. What an entry, by the way, Queen. Proud of you for that. Holy cow. Where are you looking for? The 100s? Because that's an exceptional trade. It is hard to hold things, but you're doing amazing. I know you're gonna. Want to try one more EMA touch. See if the NASDAQ can give me it before it pushes to the 25,100s. Feels like it wants to just go there right away, but I want one touch. One touch before you go, please, Queen. There's 20 people watching, family. I appreciate every single one of y'all spending the day together, spending the morning together. It means the most to me after missing a couple days for y'all to still stop by. Show some love. Truly means a lot. 25,100 was obvious. I should have pulled the trigger. She was obvious. That's what I said early as soon as I pulled up my hourly chart. But yeah, I still tried to short against it. So that's trading for you. It can be obvious and you can still do dumb shit, sobs. But at the end of the day, you know what they say. You can't keep a gooper from gooping. So give me an EMA touch, Nazi. Sell onto these 50s one time. Now these 51s. Selling here aggressively. Sell into these aggressively for me one time. 2,500, but I'm going to trim at the 98.75 and just leave runners. I love it. I have an order now with the 51s. Can the NASDAQ come give us? That'd be amazing. Before we go, 200s, not 2,500. 200, not 25,000s. Charging the 200s, but you're gonna have a runner at the 89. Take a runner off at the 98s. Crazy. I love it. I gotta keep updating my price as the NASDAQ maintains, pushes higher. Into the 90s now. I almost want to just poke a contract, but you can't. You gotta fight for price. Next EMA touches feels pretty safe. Oh, EMA updated again. Now we're at the 2560s. Come get us, newbie. I mean, newbie, yeah. Come get us, newbie. Don't leave without us. No, asking this NASDAQ to come give me some love. At the 25,095s. Might get tapped into this now. Looking for an EMA touch, that's all. We respected it recently. After the volume to push higher, we should get a little love at it no matter what. I say no matter what. Nothing's guaranteed in NASDAQ, but looking for a reaction at this EMA. Come on, NASDAQ. Only thing, obviously, is if we do get tagged in this EMA, we have to have a tight stop. Can't let it get out of control on us. We only need $400 to pass these accounts, so we really don't even need to be trading a mini, but gotta update our price a little bit again. Now we're at the 66s. Is she gonna leave without us or give me a chance? How is she gonna just leave without me like that, NASDAQ? Oh, you mean, mean girl. It's alright, you give me a lot of opportunities to get involved with you. There's a sweep through the 25,100s. I don't like this order anymore. I wanted to be tapped in. I don't like it anymore. I might just call it here after $200, family. You know what I mean? It might just be the smartest thing to do. Because again, we only need 400 to pass these accounts. I needed a third trading day, or 5 trading days. This is our 3rd day, so it doesn't really hurt us too bad. Doesn't really hurt us too bad to take a little loss. It's a strong closure through the 25,000s, though. Kind of think I could just buy market, honestly, and just boom, and thank goodness. I'd wait now tie and just look for shorts when the longs slow down. Yes, bro, go take a nap before the hike and have a beauty of a day. Gonna have an incredible day. Like I said, I don't want to trade these and blow them up. Feeling a little bit of FOMO. Haven't traded in a couple days, so just shaking off the rust. I'm a little upset that she wants to be so aggressive and not letting me be a part of the party. Now we swept through all the liquidity that I wanted to see. Means that I probably don't see many trades left. Let me know how close we are to our 30 like stream goal, family. I know we're probably a little behind. YouTube's punishing me for missing 2 days. It is what it is. The ones that showed up are my fucking OGs, and I love every single one of y'all. Showing love, showing support every day. I really should try to just poke this, but I mean, I shouldn't, but I really want to. Yeah, I really should. I said, no, I really shouldn't, but I'm really tempted to just give a little pokey. Poke. Like a Hawaiian poke. Technically, we haven't had an EMA touch, so next time we try to cut through it, I am going to try it for my last trade of the day. Although I don't love that we already swept through a bunch of liquidity that I really wanted to be a part of. Now look at this hour up here. Things could get interesting up here at these 120s. Could find some aggressive selling. This is an outside edge. But the way that we're auctioning makes me think that we're going to maintain it. The only reason you can't hesitate on the longs. Decompress volume into the 130s. What a trade, newbie. From the 188s now to the 130, or the 24,888s. So now riding this thing up to the 130s. 25 130s is insane. EMA looking strong through the top of the 15-minute range. We're just auctioning higher and higher. I really want to try an EMA bounce for a quick scalp for a long, but it's obviously not the smartest thing to do. No, you were absolutely right, Pat. Long the top of the 15, he said, and boom, we delivered another 100 points from there. Longs took off. Indeed. A little excited they got. They said, I'm gonna go up. I said, okay. Buyers really put their running shoes on. They're running away from us, Queen. Try to grab them, try to chase them down, but they're just fast. We appreciate them for trying. Hey, look, they gave me opportunities. I just didn't take them. Like, they showed me signs at the early reversal signal, sleeping through the top of the 15, reclaiming it. Pat even saw it. Thanks, but I only have one NQ as a runner now. I'm actually out. You're still running an NQ up 160 points. It's exceptional. I still am really tempted to try an EMA tap. It's a little bit more risky now that we've taken liquidity out, but if we do and it delivers, it could be nice. No chasing, you end up failing. No chasing the runner. So are you telling me not to poke this EMA bounce? W crypto for sure. Newbie crushing. Newbie is crushing it like she always does. A proper queen. He said poke it. Poke a little EMA touch and then just see. Get a little respect with the EMA. The only thing that sucks is that we already swept through the 25,100s, but I would love to see it hold. And we're already down 200 on the day. So really, I should be smart because these counts are really close to being passed. And I should walk away right now, but I really want to try it. How about I just do it with like a tight stop below 25,000s? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Last try. If she comes in here, but if she keeps auctioning like this and pushing higher, I'm not gonna do it. Of course, newbie, well deserved. Yo, there's 23 people watching, family. I don't know how close we are to our 30 like stream goal, but show us some love. First stream ever in Hawaii. It would be awesome to smash our goal. First stream after missing some streams as well, so it would mean a lot. Y'all show some love. Pick me up after traveling 24 hours on 24 hours of travel time. Y'all know what that will do to your lower back. 21. Let's go, Pat. 9 more likes, family. That's still exceptional. For all the ones that smashed that, I love y'all. My OGs. 25 150s. NASDAQ is just running away from us. I don't think I can take an EMA tap now. It's not really looking the same. It's not really looking the same. Who touching this EMA now? Show some Hawaii stream love, no doubt. Little aloha. Little aloha vibes. We're getting ready to go on a hike here soon. We swept big low on the higher time frame already. Big pullback come at any point now. I am expecting a decent pullback. I mean, we're up. If you look at the daily range, we're up 650 points on the day. So up 1.5% in the NASDAQ. Touching into the EMA now. Sharp pullback. I will try to poke it. I hate losing on vacation. It is what it is. We can't control what the markets do. Can only try our best. Here comes an EMA touch. First time we've touched it in a little while. If I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it now. Otherwise, forever hold my peace. It's just, I don't like it. It's not 90 EMA on the 5 is still hanging out at the 250, 200, so she needs to go down a little lower. 2501s. She definitely needs to go down lower then. Is that the 016? Thank you, Danny. Right for the confirmation there. Alright, then we'd be patient. It's the first EMA touch. I wouldn't really want to see it give up the EMA though, ideally. It's gonna be trickier to read if we just hold that and give it all up. Liquidity. Apple doesn't want to let me Live with the short text. This is a job interview, lol. Liquidity. She said no. You don't know what liquid is. You have to be former and proper. Didn't you know that, newbie? You're a professional. You can only speak professionally. Well, we're selling back into the EMA now at the 116s. I don't know if that entails continuation to the sellers, or are we just going to keep bouncing the EMA like we have been? I kind of think the sellers are probably going to get a little bit more aggressive here now that we swept through a lot of liquidity. They've been taken advantage of. Tagged out of my runner. What an exceptional trade, newbie. What an exceptional trade. I can't poke a short here, right? Now that we're below the EMA a little bit for a rotation back towards the 25,000s. Like I can't do that, right? That would be bad. Would that be bad trading? I guess Apple has high standards. They do. Damn, 30 points though. It's just so much. Apple's snobby, yet we all use them. I'm gonna try a short here. Last trade for me, family.
Order filled.
Last trade for me. See if we can get any love at this selling pressure. Start rotating this down a little bit. Very counter trend, very risky. Very counter trend, very risky. I don't want to see any wicks. You guys are making it hard for me to hold. Feels like we're gonna just bounce here and hold this EMA. I want to see the sellers maintain below the EMA for a little while. Show me a big black no wick. You guys know what I'm talking about? Have you guys seen a big black no wick before? I've seen it, but not lately. Come on, get through there. First little Hawaii stream. Show me some love, NASDAQ. 25,100 is offering a little bit of resistance. There we go. A little bit of selling pressure. Get through there a little bit more, Nazi. Just a little bit more. I'm asking just a tiny little poke through that low. Show me a little selling through that low. Back at the EMA would not be ideal here. Gotta get a candle closure through the through this new low down here. Can we get a candle closure through that low down there? Obviously, we're fighting trend. It's very risky. Buyers are trying to hold the 25,100 with some support. Asking for some love from my selling friends. Want to see a rotation off these highs slightly, you know, just a little slight rotation off the highs. Can we just sweep through that low? We're auctioning sideways. We're at a tricky price. Things could get pretty gross here if they do push back above the EMA there. Ugh, what a closure above the EMA is awful there. Closure above the EMA is awful there. Well, Danny, you're trying to short with me, Queen. We're hoping. Got to see these sellers maintain back below that EMA there. They're trying it. Show us some selling pressure now. Get through that low down there. A little bit of love. Nothing crazy. What a candle reaction from both sides. Up and down they go. Can we get a sweep through that low? If we get a sweep through the low, we'll be looking pretty sexy right now. Just need to get this EMA to maintain and push lower below these 5,100s is what I'm seeking. Don't give up yet. Trying not to, newbie. Trying not to, Queen. Give me a sweep. Give me a sweep. There we go.
Order filled.
Hey, family. We just technically passed these accounts. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of love for this Hawaii stream. We just technically passed these accounts. We have 2 more days to trade, but we can just flip some micros. We did it, baby. We got over that 53,000 in each contract. That's all we needed to do. You know what I'm saying, though? My camera's dying on me, family. Sucks that it's lagging. I'm sorry. Big Black No Wick. Corey knew the vibes. Let's go. W from Sobs. I appreciate y'all. There come the sellers. Let's go. Let's go, family. Wildflower at 500. Congratulations, Queen. Proud of you. Let's fucking go, family. We ended up passing these accounts. Again, we need to trade 2 more days, so that will be our next couple days, just poking, not needing to have much rotation, but I'm going to hit cancel all, turn trade mode off. I hate to dip and run on you guys early, family. I love y'all so much, and I appreciate y'all for stopping by, showing love every day. We are leaving here in like 40 minutes for a hike, so everyone's trying to get ready. I'm going to try to go get ready with them. Go celebrate, go to Egg and Things. Go to Egg and Things. I'm gonna go celebrate for sure, GPT. What a way to start the day. Hey, look at the king. Funded 5 with TPT. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens, newbie. See if we can take TPT for a ride. If y'all are here showing some love, it would mean the most to smash the like button. We're trying to get to our 30 like stream goal. Truly appreciate every single one of y'all for stopping by. My OGs, my family. Trading is so much more fun with the community, and you guys make it special. So thank you for being here every day. First stream in Hawaii, only possible because you guys show up and make it exciting. You guys make me a better trader. So let's go. Enjoy your vacation. Like it up for the family. Let's go, GPT. Past accounts in Hawaii. Nothing can ruin your day. Nothing. Nothing. All right. I love you guys so much. Thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna go drink some sun, get some water. I hope you guys do the same. Hug somebody you love. Protect yourself. Obviously, we are still in war conditions. The market is being very volatile. Be proud if you guys are in the green. Be happy that you learned if you're in the red. Go look at hell yeah, and fam, enjoy it. Let's go, Max. I appreciate every single one of y'all. All right, drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, family. We'll be back tomorrow doing the day 4 of these, trying to pass these accounts. I love y'all. Peace.